What's popping, guys? So if you want to know how to be able to build out a full credit report from scratch, I actually had one of my viewers, he ended up just starting his credit journey, and we're going to go ahead and boost his credit score up from 0 all the way to a 700 plus. So let's get into it.
Actually, I just came here for my graduation. I don't have enough credit here because not like that every international student who came here having the same thing. Let's see how it goes with Abu.
So he came here as a student, right? And he just got his Social Security. And basically what we're gonna do, he has no credit whatsoever. He tried to apply for credit cards, but if you don't have any credit, you're not gonna get approved. So the first step is we're gonna actually go ahead and get him the Experian login. So that way we know exactly where his credit score is at. So that's the first step. We're gonna go ahead and get them Experian login and get it situated. Bet. So the first thing that we're gonna do is help him build out credit building accounts, right? So first step off the bat, we're gonna go to Credit Strong. Now, if you see right here, Credit Strong actually has one of the best programs in my opinion, because it gives you a $5,000 credit trade line, because you know how credit works, right? As far as like how you start off with it is that you want to have like comparable credit. So if they see that you're able to pay off a certain bill, then you're able to get approved for that amount of limit. So if you have a $1,000 credit card, they'll approve you for another $1,000 credit card as well. So the first step is I want to get you to get to a point where you have enough credit to be able to show. So we're going to go to Credit Strong right away. So Credit Strong right here, this is going to be a secure loan. So if you guys have it for the secure loan, it's going to show you the options right here. So if you see right here, these are all the different products, right? So they have a revolving card, they have a Magnum, they have an installment card, and then it helps you be able to build out credit. So all this would take, right, is going to be from $30 a month, and you just have to pay $30 every single month. And once you make that payment, then it's going to get reported onto your credit report. So that allows you to be able to now have a trade line, which is like now it's showing them that you have a $5,000 loan, for example. And so every single time you make a monthly payment, that's when they're going to reflect the payment history. So that's going to be there, right? And so you got, boom, this credit report right here. Now you see right here, they have all these different ones. They have the Magnum is an 86-point increase. They have secured credit cards, secured credit loans from $2,000 all the way to $30,000. So the thing is, right, is that I tell people like having no credit is better than having bad credit. Because if you have bad credit, you have to get it removed, you have to like do other things, and it takes a lot longer. But if you have no credit whatsoever, it's good because it's almost like a diamond in the rough. Like people don't really know, like you can be able to build it up exactly how you want to build it up. If you have some patience, man, like if you have like 6 to 8 months, you can really go ahead and get you anywhere from $50,000 to $100,000 easy in funding. So that's the first step is, right? We're gonna go ahead and go to Credit Strong. Yeah, I like Credit Strong a lot. So it does report to all 3 credit bureaus. So you're aware how there's Experian, Equifax, and also TransUnion. These are the 3 accounts or the 3 credit bureaus that are going to monitor your credit score. So we'll get you set up with an account with each and every single one. So then we can be able to make sure that you actually check your credit score. So of course, it's not going to be a hard pull. You can be able to cancel at any single time. The longer that you have this account, the more it's going to help you out with your credit score. So that's the first one. We're going to go to Credit Strong. And we're going to get you the Magnum right here. And we're going to get you the Magnum. And I would recommend to go ahead and actually get you the Magnum for a $5,000 credit trade line, basically. So that's boom, that's right there. So they got ones. And the plans are, if you want to have it's going to be a revolving. So if you want to have a $5,000 one, it's about $99 a month. That's the one that I would recommend, because the more debt you're able to have managed on your credit report, the higher your credit score, the higher your credit limits are going to be. So definitely go Credit Strong at first. Now, next thing I would do, man, is you currently pay rent, right?
Yeah.
So if you pay rent, there's like Rent Reporters and also Rental Karma. So every single time you're making monthly payments to your rent, like right now, you're not getting any credit for it. But you can go to these consumers, you can go to these websites, and now they're able to report your rent. So every single time you make a rental payment, it's actually building up your credit as well. So we're gonna go ahead and go to those as well. We're gonna go to Rental Karma. So the thing is, if you don't have credit, right, you don't have any history. You don't have any history whatsoever. So you need to be able to start building history. And so the one thing I like about Credit Karma or Rental Karma is that it allows you to report your rent payments all the way back to 2 years. So how long have you been living in your space right now?
It's been my second year.
Great part about that is that now all the payments that you made to your actual rent from now to like 2 years back, we can get that backdated. So they'll go back in time and report all those to your credit report. And so that's the good part. And all you have to do is $75 to report that, and then the rest of it is $9 a month. So that's the first one we're gonna do. Now that's gonna give you rental accounts. So let's say you pay rent about $1,800 to $2,000 every single month. That's a $2,000 payment that's gonna be reported every single month. So like now if you go get a car, now if you wanna go ahead and get like another loan, and they see that you've been able to manage a $2,000 monthly payment, you'll be able to get approved with no problem at all. So starting out, right, what I recommend to a lot of people, right, especially if you guys are just new to your credit journey, is to go ahead and have at least 5 trade lines. You want to have at least 5 accounts reported. And I like to have a mix. I like to have a credit card and then also about 3 to 4 different secured loans, because that's going to help you guys out with building credit. Now, I don't like too many credit cards for credit builder accounts, but I like one just to be able to get that history started, and then afterwards you can start applying with Chase and all these other bigger banks. So that's going to be number 1. So we got Credit Strong, we got Rental Karma. Now we're also going to add Rent Reporters. Now Rent Reporters does the same exact thing that Rental Karma does, but the thing is, it's just another company, so they're going to be able to do that. So that's going to be Rent Reporters. Boom. And so enter your mobile phone number for a $15 coupon. That's cool. So Rent Reporters is the same exact thing. Now, one thing I did want to mention, right, is with Rental Karma and also Rental Karma, it does only report to Equifax and TransUnion. So it doesn't report to Experian. So you're going to need to go and we're going to need to add you some accounts that do add to Experian, because you want to make sure that every account that we're going to get you, bro, is going to be one that is going to report on all 3 credit reports. So you see that one right there, that's going to be Rental Karma. So we got Rental Karma. So if you see right here, it's all of these, right? So we got James, he went from 0 to 800 points, 0 to 730 points. And then they also went to Steve. So like now this adds reports, right? So it's like, it's very, very simple, especially with credit. It's like the more information that you add, the more positive accounts that you have, bro, like the easier it is and like the higher credit score is going to be. So if you have like the easiest way, like what my cousin told me, like as far as your credit, the easiest way to manage your credit is just not to mess it up, bro. Just not to mess it up. Like, don't get any late payments. Don't get any of that at all. So we got money back guarantee, all of this, right? So let's go to how it works. So one, of course, you're going to go ahead and enroll. Afterwards, you're going to go ahead and pick a plan. And then afterwards, you're going to go ahead and check out, right? And so you're going to check out with all of this, all these annual plans. Boom, so it reports and renews every single month, and it's going to report. And the great part about this too is that it will give you 24 months of positive payment history. So that's going to be one right there. So as soon as we're done with this, it's going to upload, and all they're going to do, right, is they're going to reach out to your landlord and just verify, hey, does Akil actually live here? If he does, good. If he doesn't, then, you know what I'm saying, like, they're not going to, but of course that's not going to be an issue. So we got, boom, Rental Karma, we got Credit Strong, and we also got Rent Reporter. So that's 3 right there already that we're going to build up. And so as you guys see on my laptop here, I'm going to have these pulled up right now. So let's go to the next ones, right? I like Kickoff a lot. So this is Kickoff right here. It's they have plans for $5, right? So $5 a month, no credit check, no hidden fees, no interest, no none of that, right? So boom, this is credit. This is right there. So I like Credit Kickoff because they allow you to be able to have a credit card reporting to your credit report, and it's like super easy, right? So I'm gonna show you the plans. So we have like a Kickoff Basic. So the basic one that's $5 a month, right, is gonna be, they're gonna report $750 onto your credit report. So it's almost like you have a credit card for $750. Now you won't be able to use it, but it'll be able to help you building out your credit. Does this make a little bit of sense?
Yeah, good.
Okay. Got you, man. So as far as like, so you see right here, what I would recommend is for you to get the $35 a month option or the $20 a month option, because the $35 a month is going to report a 3,500 trade line to your credit report. So that's going to really help you out. And it does report to all 3 credit bureaus. So it's going to report Experian, Equifax, and also TransUnion. We're not going to waste any single time, right? Because, you know what I'm saying, time is money, so we got to get to it. So Kickoff is one, man, and then afterwards we're gonna do is one of the Ava Finance. So it's like one that you can download on like your mobile app, like as well. So with Ava Finance, I'm gonna show you right now. Boom. So Ava, what it does, right, is it's gonna check your bank account, right? Let's say if you have a direct deposit, you're gonna have a job. They see all of the money that comes into your bank account, and they'll give you a credit limit based off of like the money that comes in. So if you have at least $1,000 to $2,000 coming in every single month, then what you're gonna do, right, is they're gonna give you a credit limit starting off. So the highest credit limit they'll give you is like 2,500. But like some people get approved for 1,000, some people get approved for 1,500. But the good part about it is that it reports to all 3 credit bureaus, and it's super simple. So let me show you how it works. So it allows you to be able to build credit, and it's $9 a month every single month. So Ava is one of those. Ava is definitely one of those like kickers, because it's like definitely one of those players, because bro, like it just really helps you out a lot. And then also too, it's like you don't want to start off with like $500 credit limits. Those are bad, because like then it's going to take you a lot longer to get to 3,000, 5,000. So you want to start off with at least $1,000 to $2,000 reporting. So then when you apply for more credit accounts, now they can approve you for $3,000, or they can approve you for $4,000. And it's going to take you a lot longer to go from $500 to $5,000 compared to $2,000 to $5,000.
How long it takes to get the credit, good credit for us?
Your score is going to jump up as soon as these accounts are reporting. So your score is going to go to 720 as soon as like one of these accounts reports. But you won't necessarily be able to like apply for stuff and start getting approved until about 4 to 6 months, because lenders, they want to see that you've been able to manage the account well. Because like 1 month tells them a little bit, but like really like 4 to 6 months is when they realize that, okay, now this person is stable, and now he can be able to handle credit. So about 6 months if you're patient. So 6 months in all, just have these reporting, because at the end of the day, like even with all these credit builder accounts, it takes a little bit of money to go ahead and actually start to go and actually report this, because you'll need anywhere from like $600 to all the way up to $2,000. If you really want to be aggressive, like it's going to be more about $2,000. You're going to need to pay the credit builder accounts every single month. You're going to need to make sure you're on top of it. Because I tell my clients, I'm like, bro, like if you're going to go ahead and start adding credit builder accounts, make sure you can only add the ones that you can afford. Because the last thing I want you to do is start adding accounts, and then you miss the payment, and now it's going to like ruin your credit score basically. And so you can still get it removed, but it's like, why do that if you could avoid it? So that's gonna be the first step, right? Is boom, we got Meet Ava. That's gonna be, so now we're at Rental Karma, we're at Rent Reporters, we're at Credit Strong, we're at Kickoff, and then we're also at Meet Ava. So that's already 5 accounts. I'm gonna give him a little bit more sauce as well too, so we're gonna add some more accounts. So Ava, boom, secured credit card, report anywhere from $1,000 to $2,500, easy. So let's go to the next one, man. We got Ava, and then afterwards, Kickoff is good. Then we're gonna go to Self Lender. So Self Lender is like one of those ones too, man, where like they have a secured credit card, and they also have secured loans. So remember, all of these loans, right, especially if you're paying $30 a month, you'll get your money back. So after you fully pay off, let's say you go to Self Lender and you get $1,000 secured loan. So it's like a savings account, right? So every single month you'll pay about $48 if you're getting $1,000, and at the end of the term they'll just mail you back a check. So it's really easy. So all you're really doing, right, is you're paying them to report off on your behalf, right? Because at first, like, you don't have any credit, so that you need to be able to like have other lenders trust you. And so once like you have other lenders trust you and it's on your credit report, then they're gonna be able to see exactly, okay, like now he has handled his credit, so we can actually extend him more credit. So boom, now we got Self. So let's go ahead and go over here. Like these are the products right here. Yeah, Self even has like, now Self even has like a Rent Reporters account, but boom, right here is build credit with a Self plan, right? So what you can do is get started. It's not going to require hard inquiry. It's not going to require any type of like credit checks or whatever. And so it's going to be super simple. So these are all the different plans, right? If you want to get a $600 reported, it's going to be $25 a month. Now, if you want to get a $840 credit account reported, and it's going to be $35 a month. Now the one that I recommend is going to be the $48 a month, right? Because that's going to report $1,100 to your credit report. So that's like a good starting point. And so every single month you'll just pay $4,800. After about 24 months, then they'll mail you back a check. So it's almost like you're just having a savings account. So these are all the accounts I want you to add. Now, of course, we also have like other accounts that you can add, but these are the main ones, right? So it's gonna be Credit Strong, Rental Karma right here, also Rent Reporters. Then we're gonna report, and then we're also gonna have Kickoff, Ava, and then Credit, and then Self as well. Now, the last one you can add, right, which I really like a lot, is gonna be Tomo Card. So, bro, like as soon as you start adding all these accounts, you're gonna start getting all these pre-approval letters in the mail. They're gonna start sending you all these pre-approvals. Don't apply to them until you actually like finish building out your credit report, and then you can really start like researching and applying for the ones that you want. Because a lot of times, like you get one from Capital One. I don't like Capital One, so like, but just make sure you do your research beforehand. So you see right here, how it works, like the pricing, right? Even they got up to $100,000 credit line. That's wild. That's lit, bro. So basically what happens, right, is that they give you a up to $1,000 credit line if you want to go for the $14 a month option, right? And then basically what it does is that it has all major bureau support, and it's gonna report to all 3 bureaus, right? So it's not gonna miss any single one. And then there's also one that has a $10,000 credit line option, and then there's one that has a $100,000 credit line option. So I like these a lot. And really what I would do is like, you see right here the difference, right? Is that like once you go ahead and actually get a term loan, if your credit score is a lot better, you pay a lot less, right? Like for example, if you have a 12% interest rate, you're gonna pay $51,000 on a $37,000 car, right? But let's say that if you have a 750 credit score and you get a 680, you get a 6.8% credit APR. You're gonna only pay $44,000. So you see how big of a difference it makes, right? Like it's almost about $6,000 is different, right? That's as far as like if you have good credit compared to if you have bad credit. The one that I would recommend for you is just to get the premium option, right? Just get the up to $10,000 credit line. That's gonna give you the premium option right there, and you're able to go and actually get that reported. So basically what happens, right, is after you went ahead and got all these accounts, what I would do is just go ahead and actually just go ahead and make every single payment for 4 to 6 months. And then once you go ahead and wait for these payments to go ahead and actually report, then you can start applying for credit cards, and we can get you approved for a lot of these car loans, even credit cards and stuff. So just curious, Akil, like what was your expectation of credit before you came to America? Like just walk us through.
So far, I don't know about the credit things when I came here, but after coming here, everything runs with the credit. Once we got the credit, you know, right? Everything works with the credit. So I just wanna make the credit, but I don't have a social so far. I just got my social, and let's see. I just want to get my credit score like around like 700. That's my target. Let's see. I think you're gonna make it.
Yeah, nah, for sure, man. We're gonna make it happen, bro. Cause like once you realize how big of a credit system America has, man, like it's really crucial. Like now you're able to go and actually get capital just based off a Social Security card. Like it's really wild. So now we ended up getting him there, and so like we're gonna go ahead and get these accounts, get him signed up, and we're gonna do a follow-up plan. Like we're gonna see what his credit score looks like in 2 months, what his credit score looks like in 3 months. And so it's really just a patience game. But if you have enough patience, about 6 to 8 months, you can get you an easy $100,000 of business funding, and Akil can start up his own business. He can go ahead and get funded. He can just go ahead and get approved for anything that he wants, just because he has good credit. So I really want to just drop this video, man, and we're gonna go ahead and get him signed up. So I hope this video was banger. Make sure you guys subscribe, man, go crazy, get your boy to 10K subscribers as soon as possible. And like always, I'll see you at the top, my boy.